This is the Quick Start video tutorial that explains, with minimal explanations, how you can add a new time log record for the sales task sales activity in the Time to Money database by using only workflows and pull-down menus. For the Quick Start version, for a task non-sales activity, select the Quick Start Task Non-Sales Activity video. The navigation method is the same as used by your Internet Explorers. For an expanded version of this tutorial with expanded explanations, select the expanded Add Task Sales Activity Time Log Database video. The default approach is to hide all information messages on the screen by starting with No in the Select Message field. You will see this choice on all Time to Money workflow screens. At any time, you can display all information messages, including the discussion of how to navigate through a workflow, by selecting Yes. First, select from the pull-down menu the workflow for editing data in the Time to Money database. For this demo, I select Edit Existing Records. Confirm this is your desired workflow by selecting Yes, Activate Selected Module. Time to Money displays your selected workflow home screen in a new tab. You next select the individual edit module you want to activate by selecting a single choice from the pull-down menu. For this demo, I select Time Log Template to add a new time log record. Confirm again this is your desired module by selecting Yes. Time to Money provides a list of all users in your company for whom you have been empowered in your user database to enter actual work hours. For this demo, I select Luigi Peluso. And Time to Money displays the following information from your user database under your pull-down menu selection for confirmation: the selected user name and the selected company or organization. Section 1 controls the structure of your time log session. The top choice allows you to view one or more of the videos for adding time log data, download the corresponding script, and also see the report itself. The second to last pull-down menu in the structure section allows you to select the length of time to display time log records from your current report date when you choose to activate the time log report. The default value of 4 weeks is taken from your user database, and for this demo, I'm going to leave this default selection at 4 weeks. The last pull-down menu in this structure section controls whether or not to display the logic in the logic database that determines the data that will be checked for validity in this time log session. For this demo, I select No to not display these logic choices. As a result of these choices, no logic checks will be carried out for this time log session. Section 2 controls messages and reports to be displayed. For this demo, I select, for Select with Messages to Hide or Show, I'm going to keep it as Hide All Comments. For Do You Want to Add Another Record after adding this record, I'm going to select No. And finally, for Select Time Log Report choice, I'm going to select Time Log Records Report. Section 3 is where you select the date on which the work was done. The calendar starts at April the 1st, 2015, and that day of the week is displayed for confirmation, Wednesday. Now for this demo, I'm going to select April the 13th as the day of the report, which we see is a Monday. Section 4 is where you select the type of work activity to be reported. For this demo, I'm going to select task sales activity. And we can see that underneath Time to Money displays, under this pull-down menu selection, from the activity types database is confirmation, the type of activity name, and the type of activity description. With the following 4 sections, you'll select the client, the opportunity, the stage, and the task for this time log record. You can only enter a single record for each task before submitting this task record to your time log database and starting on a new record. Time to Money displays a pull-down menu with a list of all of your clients who have active opportunities with at least one incomplete task, which we see here. And for this demo, I'm going to select DynCorp International. Time to Money displays for confirmation the selected client name from the client database. Time to Money displays a pull-down menu with a list of all of your opportunities with at least one incomplete task for this selected client. And for this demo, I'm going to select declining revenue. And again, Time to Money displays for confirmation the selected opportunity description. Time to Money next displays a pull-down menu with a list of all of your stages for the selected opportunity with at least one incomplete task for this selected client. And for this demo, I select Determine Client Needs. In Time to Money displays again for confirmation, we can see this, the stage name, the description, and the sequence of this stage within the ideal sales cycle for this opportunity. And finally, Time to Money displays a pull-down list with all of your incomplete tasks for this selected stage, opportunity, and client. And for this demo, I'm going to select Meet with Prospect Client. And Time to Money displays for confirmation, again, the task description and the task sequence within the ideal sales cycle for this opportunity. Time to Money displays for information purposes only, first, the number of hours planned to complete this task in the ideal sales cycle for this opportunity, and second, the number of hours that you scheduled for this date for your selected specific task. Section 12 is where you enter the actual number of hours that you worked on this specific task sales activity on the selected date. And for this demo, I'm going to enter 1.75 as the number of hours. Section 14 is where you select the estimated % completion of this task after the entered hours are worked. And for this demo, I'm going to select 70%. Time to Money displays for information only the task % completed, and now the estimated number of work hours remaining to complete this task. This completes the data entry for recording a specific task sales activity. To enter this record in your time log database and activate the selected report, if any, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. Time to Money displays this selected report module in a new tab. And we can see it here. And you can get a PDF copy of this report by clicking on the PDF button in the right-hand corner of the screen. You can also log out from the Time to Money solution when you've completed your session by clicking on the Sign Out menu item in the upper right-hand corner of all Time to Money screens. Now you can scroll down your report in order to basically confirm that all of the records have been added in your time log database. And here's the record that you just added. Let's scroll back up. When you have completed reviewing the selected report, to continue this session, scroll up to the New tab and click on the return arrow to return to the selected workflow. Here. For this demo, you would have been returned to the time log template to add additional records. We're not going to do that. We're going to stop at the one record just as the example. This completes the quick start video demonstrating how you can add a new time log record for a sales task sales activity in the time to money database by using only workflows and pull down menus.